How to redeem Temu coupons and apply vouchers. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Temu on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Temu account. Then click on You at the bottom right and then click on Coupons. After you click on Coupons in here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here at the top, you can add your coupon code and press on Apply, and coupon code will be applied. You'll also find offers at the bottom, which are vouchers. You can click on Claim in one of the vouchers, and it will check if you're eligible or not. After you're eligible, you can simply select the product and you will get discount in this way. And this is how to redeem Temu coupons and apply vouchers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.